Where is it, you little one-eyed cretin? Okay, first of all, it's creepy. If you're gonna threaten me, do it properly. Second of all, you're nuts if you think kidnapping me is gonna help you change your way to the top. You still think this is about that stupid scare record? Well, I did. Right up until you chuckled like that, and now I'm thinking I should just get out of here. I am about to revolutionize the scary industry. And when I do, even the great James P. Sullivan is going to be working for me. Well, somebody's certainly been a busy bee. First, I need to know where the kid is, and you're going to tell me. Yeah, I don't know anything. Sure. I don't know. I don't know. What's that? Wait. Oh, come on now. Hey, moving. I don't like things moving that are moving towards me. No, come on, hey, Randall. Say hello to the Scream Extractor. Hello? Come on, where you going? We'll talk about, we'll have a latte. Come on, we can talk about this. What's that thing? What is that thing? Wait. What did you do wrong this time? I don't know. I calibrated the drive. Check the machine. There must be something wrong with this reading thing now. Fungus, you like cars? Because I got a really nice car. You let me go, I'll give you a ride in the car. Please, Fungus. I'm sorry, Wazowski, but Randall said I'm not allowed to fraternize with victims of his evil plot. What's happening? Where's the